Congratulations, you've made it to day 5, and today you get to revise and edit your writing. You might start by just looking at your story and seeing anything that has a little red squiggle or a blue squiggle. That means something's spelled wrong or it just doesn't sound right. So you're going to want to revise those. So that means if you were on a soccer has 2 C's in it, and you can even see it does give you the actual spelling above it. Perfect. Okay. Something else you might try is getting a writing partner. So if you click share, you can actually share with anybody in our class, and you can work together like writing partners just like you do in class. You each have a copy of the checklist and you can totally play prove it together. You can see that I've shared mine with Miss and I used the chat signal to say hello to her, and she's already given me my glow and my grow. She said, I love that you use the diagrams to brainstorm your ideas and then put your ideas into your paragraphs. Awesome. So she loves that I planned my story and that I used paragraphs. One grow is to try and talk to your audience at least once in each of your paragraphs. I thought I did that, but let's check. So you might ask yourself, there's my introduction paragraph. That means if you were on a soccer team, how would that make you feel? Talk to them there. My second reason, more exercise, more motivated, what Autumn thinks. Oh, she's right. That paragraph only has a lot about what Autumn's thoughts are, but I really didn't ask the audience much at all. So I'm going to have to go ahead and talk to them there. Be a great time to check out another chart that we have. You should have this chart in your pal at home, but again, it is available on our slides or on Google Classroom. Ways to directly address your audience. Name and talk back to the worries or concerns the reader might have. Okay, so I just gave a whole story about how Autumn wants to try soccer next year. So I know you might be thinking, if you are wondering, so maybe my author or my audience might be thinking, you might be thinking, so what? What is the big deal? But Autumn was actually ready to switch sports in the beginning of the year. Working harder with her coach helped her to enjoy. I just want to repeat my reason. Encourages all players to keep playing. Yeah. Helped her to enjoy and motivated her to stick with soccer. Okay. And then again, you can see I spelled beginning wrong, so I'm just going to go ahead and fix that. Okay. So see my blue squiggle? But Autumn was actually ready to switch at the beginning of the year. In the beginning, at the beginning we'll change, and then it wasn't the year, it was the season. Perfect. So now I've talked to my audience in my third paragraph, and I'm going to have to try to see if I talk to them in my final paragraph too, since that was the advice that Miss gave me. Okay? All right, I'm going to keep working on this. Why don't you go ahead and share your story with somebody, even if it's just somebody at home, and go ahead and make some revisions and edits. Don't forget spelling, capitals, and punctuation. Good luck. I can't wait to read your stories.